Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to change Google Maps to walking. So let's have a look now. Open Google Map and select the destination. Click on direction and select your starting and ending location. Now you will see different travel mode here. Click on the walking icon and it will switch you to walking. As you see, it has been switched to walking. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.